Progress is born of doubt and inquiry, said once the greatest agnostic campaigner and writer Robert Greene Ingersoll. It is indeed very true that to learn something, we should first develop temperament to doubt and inquiry. If you have or want to develop such temperament, then have a look to this video for some mind-blowing Q&A. Have you ever wondered why can electrons not exist inside the nucleus of an atom? If so, we can answer it. In quantum mechanical terms, the size of a particle is inversely proportional to its mass. The electron is 1840 times lighter than proton, and therefore the spread of its wave is much bigger than that of a proton. Therefore, the electron cannot exist in the nucleus because it is much bigger than the nucleus. Also, a nucleus is tightly bound structure. The operating force is the nuclear force. The electron does not have any nuclear force of short range. Is there any possibility that Earth might stop rotating because of friction due to a lot of cosmic dust in space? Well, any interaction with dust would be of very small order. What can happen in a few tens of millions years is that there might be a collision with an asteroid or comet. Such an event may or may not alter the rotation period of Earth, but would certainly cause a lot of devastation. Remember, you are talking of a big ball that has been rotating reliably over 4 billion years, perhaps changing slightly with time. Tidal friction does have an effect, and there is some evidence that length of the day has changed because of it. Now that the moon is not as close to the Earth as it once was, that effect is somewhat less. Cosmic dust is not as significant in this regard, by the way. What do you think when people die of electric shock? Are they killed by current or voltage? The answer to this question is the current. But this statement can be a bit misleading. The current would depend on the resistance of the body, along with the apparel, shoes, and whether the skin is a bit wet or not. It also depends linearly on voltage. Current as small as some milliamperes can be dangerous. It can interfere with the functioning of a heart, slow down or stop flow of blood to the brain, cause paralysis, interfere with breathing. High current can also cause serious internal burns.